Okay. Are you already recording? Why were they watching? Oh my gosh. Hey guys, Minatsu here. So I'm with Matthew San Diego. It's this guy. Okay. And we're gonna be doing a challenge.
We're doing a challenge. It's called the taste testing challenge.
Yeah.
I bought these from the Philippines. I took them home because I had a holiday in the Philippines. Remember?
Yeah. Remember?
Yeah.
Remember?
And I brought these ones. And this one
We
came
just
here.
opened these. So,
Yeah. This one's kind of eaten by our friends. You know.
Yeah. So first up,
I'm
we
trying
have
these ones. Trying these ones.
We get 3 each, and then we're gonna give a rating.
I have 4.
Okay.
1, go.
Okay, guys. So I'm back, and first up, we're going to be
these-
trying the seaweed. I don't know what the hell these are called. They're like Korean seaweed or something.
These. Make the video quick. Only 4 minutes. Mine was already 1 minute.
Okay, mine's only like 30 seconds.
No.
Oh, wait, mine already is 1 minute. Okay.
So,
First up.
Okay, first up. We have, what do we have? Seaweed? Yeah, we had seaweed. Here we
Take
have,
your own.
probably tastes like sushi.
These are pretty good. These are actually really good. These taste a little bit like salty, like a seasoning of salt and
Yeah, it technically tastes like sushi.
the skin of the sushi.
Here it goes.
Yeah.
That is crunchy. That's easy to break.
Yeah. I'm gonna pause it right here, and then we're gonna give you guys.
Yeah, I'll let you guys think that later. What?
That was so salty.
When you eat a lot at the same time, it's bad. Stuck. I don't like it. I do.
And we finished our seaweed, and you give your rating of
10 out of 10? Wait, no, I didn't say that. 10 out of 0. That's the rating.
like 10 out of 10 or.
Oh, okay. I give it 8 out of 8. I mean, 8 out of 10.
I give it a 9.7 out of 10. So
8
now
out
we're
of
gonna
10.
move on to the next thing. Okay,
Yeah.
Just give me.
To that
So
next
now
thing.
we are going to move on to the next thing. Sherbet sticks.
This will be fun. I'm gonna be trying pink. What the hell? I hate you. Just put sherbet in my water.
Oh yeah. So we're also gonna be doing the sherbet water challenge.
No, we didn't.
Yes, we are.
Okay, try. Tastes like Kool-Aid. Anyways, I'm gonna be making a part 2 of this because this is too long. So next time I'm gonna be drinking sherbet water. So that would be great.
I'm gonna keep going.